Firstly, go to the IP2Location.com website. Then, go to Developers, Resources, enter geolocation PHP, and click Search. Select Display Visitors Geolocation using Web Service in PHP. These are the sample codes to query the user's geolocation information. Copy these codes by clicking the copy icon. Next, go to your text editor and paste the code here. After that, click on the Save icon. Name your file and save it. In this tutorial, a demo key of IP2Location.com is used to query the geolocation data. You can use this demo key, or you may register for a new key at IP2Location.com as demo key has its limit per day. For those interested, you can register for a new key by referring to the link in the video description below. This line can be used for testing in the server. For testing in localhost, you can add the IP address here manually. These codes are used for displaying the geolocation information. Save the file and go to the browser. This is the result. You are done.